Principle number 9 of 17, enthusiasm. Enthusiasm is a contagious state of mind that not only helps you gain the cooperation of others, but more importantly, inspire you to draw upon and use the power of your imagination. Here's the exercise. It's always important to choose the most positive language with yourself and with others. Demonstrate by writing 10 statements about potential obstacle that begins negatively as I'm afraid that, or I doubt that I cannot do it, for instance, or I don't think that I'm able to do it, for instance. It's actually I don't think, and the blank. You put whatever in that blank. And each statement with a reason for your belief or doubt. Now, transform that into statements by rewriting each statement, replacing I'm afraid or I doubt with to I will. Once again, giving you reason for holding this enthusiastic and positive belief. See the difference being positive in word choice can make? Real enthusiasm comes from within and is faith in action.